This is how I do it. It ain't gonna hurt none. Just want to get that covered because we're trying to plug this hole, so I ain't got to buy another tire. Bless the Lord. All right. Is this taking too long? It's really simple. And then, all right, you see that? It's that simple. It's in there. Okay. I should just need one. We're going to take the razor. You should have a regular thing. And we're just going to cut it. All right. All right. And this is what I'm going to do. It should be straight. It should be. All right. All right. Y'all see that? All right. Now I'm going to take to secure. I don't hear no air. The rim look good. All right. Just take some of this fixer flat just to ensure the seal is done. I'm going to go get the air machine and we're going to do this real quick. All right, hold on. I'm going to pause it real quick. Guys, now